Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Mustang key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. This simple task takes just a few minutes, so you'll have your key working again in no time. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the fob, usually near the key ring. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is important for correct installation of the new battery. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. It should fit snugly into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This ensures the fob is securely closed and protected. Once reassembled, test all the buttons to confirm everything is working properly. You should now have a fully functional key fob. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.